They're asking me for food because I feed them every time I come to this nice park here to do yoga, have lunch, make my coffee in the morning. And they're beautiful. Animals are so intelligent. They recognize people. They appreciate. So today I'm just gonna give them some of this bread that I eat. Even the iguana comes to get feed. Look, look. There you go, thing. Don't fight. Share. You guys share. Where's the squares? I'm missing the squares. I give them tortillas, nuts. I even give fruits. They eat fruits. Oh, there's a square. There you go. Pretty thing.